Hey guys, my name is Mohit. Today I'm going to make a video series on React hooks. In this introductory video, we will talk about React hooks. In the series, we will go further to learn more about the React hooks. Before going further, I'm assuming that you know basics of React like class components, functional components, props, state and lifecycle methods. So what are hooks? Hooks are new feature added in React 16.8. They let you use state and other React features without writing a class. So previously you could use state only with the class components, but with hooks you can use state and also other React features without writing a class. So before using hooks, you should know some rules while using hooks. Hooks do not work inside the class. They let you use React without classes. Hooks only call at the top level. Don't call hooks inside loops, conditions, or nested functions. By following this rule, you ensure that hooks are called in the same order each time a component render. Hooks only call from React functions. So now let's talk about why we use hooks. So it related to the JavaScript than React itself. To understand classes, you need to understand how this keyword works in JavaScript. You should remember to bind event handlers in class components. On the React side, classes don't minify well and make hot reloading very unreliable. With hooks, you are not working with classes anymore, so you will not have to be face this problem. Now we go with some advanced topics in React such as higher order component and render prop patterns. If you are working with React, you know very well that there is no way to reuse stateful component logic. So higher order component and render props pattern can resolve this problem, but you need to restructure your component, so it maybe leads to bugs, so it makes the code difficult to follow. So there is a need to share stateful logic in a better way. So hooks allows us to share the stateful logic without changing the components. Some important things. To use hooks, you need to work with React version 16.8 or higher. It is not necessary to use hooks in your project, it is optional. So you can skip the hooks. No breaking changes and the release is backward compatible. Cannot use hooks inside the classes. Hooks don't replace your existing knowledge of React. So you need no need to learn something new about React. So you can read or learn about the hooks without replacing the existing knowledge of React. Instead of this, hooks provide a direct API to React concepts. Before finishing this introductory video, let's take a look of the compendium. Hooks are new features added in React version 16.8. They let you use React features without writing a class. Hooks avoid the confusion with these keywords. Hooks allows you to reuse stateful logics. Thank you guys.